welcome back to my channel Work from Home Hobbyist. Today I'm gonna showcase the baking materials I have got from a baking supply store in Hyderabad. Christmas is on the way and it's time to restock my baking supplies so that I can make some yummy cakes and also some cookies, especially in the Christmas theme. So there is this shop called New Arife in Madhapur, Hyderabad, which is like a very big wholesale shop. I am not getting sponsored to say all of this, but if you are a homemaker based out of Hyderabad or Bangalore, you will definitely know that baking supply store. So I'm gonna show what I got from that store. So these are cupcake molds, muffin cups. These are 50 pieces and I got them for 95 rupees. See, you can see the address of the shop over here. Actually the MRP was 150 rupees, but I got them for just 95. And then these hazelnuts, I was longing to try Ferrero Rocher chocolates at home, so I got hazelnuts from Big Basket. And then these are Ferrero Rocher wafer shells. I got them from Arife shop only. And then these are the chocolate wrappers I got for wrapping the Ferrero Rocher shells after I completed filling them with chocolate. And then I got this star-shaped Christmas theme cake molds for making mini cakes out of Christmas star theme. And then these are for wrapping the chocolates, handmade chocolates. And then these are cookie cutters. I have Christmas tree, bell, half moon, and then stocking, and then snowflake, angel, heart shape, and then different stars and house theme. Gingerbread, this is a gingerbread house. And I got these balloons. And I got this big size whisk from the same store. This was around 150 something because this is a very big one, like 12 inches or something. And then this is a spatula. And I have attended a baking masterclass before, and what I've got to know from the trainer is that you can identify the quality of the spatula from the make and build of it. So this is completely one single structure. If it is one single structure, it is of good quality, because when you're mixing your batter, batter will not stick in the joint part. Usually when you buy spatula with a joint over here, batter will get stuck here at the joint part. So good quality spatula means it should be made of the same material from starting to end with no joints. So that is what I knew. And then I got these measuring cups in steel. Initially I used to use plastic, so I wanted to switch to steel, and then I got them from the same shop. They costed me around 200 rupees. And then these are gift bags for a few of my neighbors in my neighborhood. I wanted to pack everything in a goodie bag, and then I wanted to give these to them. So I think I got each one of them for 20 rupees from the same store. Let me know if you like these items, and also if you want to know the address, I will give the Google Maps pin in the description below. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.